Deep in the Russian Far East, where the temperature drops to minus 30 degrees Celsius,
lies a fortress of concrete and steel, hidden from the world.
This is the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant. A city within a city.
Inside these froze walls, a fire burns.
Here, Russia forges its ultimate ghost, the Su-57 Felon.
A $50 million predator designed to rule the skies.
It combines stealth, super maneuverability, and raw power.
But before it can fly, it must be built from the ground up.
The journey begins with raw metal waiting in the cold. Titanium, the bone structure of the beast. It is moved from the freezer into the fire. To shape it, we must heat it to over 1,000 degrees.
The metal glows like a dying star.
A 50,000-ton press crushes the metal into the shape of a wing spar, forged in fire to withstand the stress of supersonic flight.
Next, the rough forging goes to the machining hall.
Computer-controlled cutters shave away the excess material. Precision is measured in microns. No room for error. It looks like a work of art, but it is pure engineering.
Российская инженерия требует абсолютного совершенства.
For the strongest parts, we use electron beam welding.
Fusing the metal in a vacuum to create a single, unbreakable piece.
The skeleton is ready. Now for the skin. Stealth requires more than just metal. It needs composites.
Carbon fiber. Lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel.
Robots lay down layers of composite tape to form the wings. The alignment determines the radar cross-section. The parts are baked in a giant autoclave. Heat and pressure turn the soft fabric into a hard shell.
A single air bubble could cause the wing to explode at Mach 2.
Now, the skeleton and skin come together.
The central fuselage is the spine of the aircraft.
Laser trackers ensure the wings are perfectly aligned. Once attached, these wings will never come off.
Unlike American jets, the Su-57 uses its entire body to generate lift.
The all-moving tail fins provide stability. And the secret weapon, the Levcon. These moving leading edges boost agility in a dogfight. The structure is complete, but it is still hollow. Time to install the nervous system. Hydraulic lines are routed through the frame like arteries. This red fluid will power the massive flight control surfaces. Fuel lines turn the fuselage into a flying gas tank. Miles of wiring connect the brain to the muscles.
The air intakes must be smooth to hide the engine blades from radar.
The retractable refueling probe allows for global reach.
The internal weapons bays, the key to stealth.
Hidden inside, missiles wait for their target.
Every rivet is checked. Perfection is the standard.
The body is ready. Now, we give it a brain.
The body is strong. Now it needs a mind. We enter the avionics laboratory.
The Su-57's brain is the IMA-BK Integrated Avionics Suite.
The Bielka AESA radar. It sees everything.
Active electronically scanned array technology allows it to track 30 targets simultaneously.
Unlike American jets, the Felon has cheek radars to see sideways.
It gives the pilot extreme situational awareness.
The OLS-50 Glass Eye. It detects enemy heat signatures without emitting radar.
The cockpit is a glass world. Two massive screens dominate the view.
Hands-on throttle and stick. Total control at the fingertips. The eyes are installed. Now for the skin.
We move to the most classified area, the stealth chamber.
Here, robots apply the radar absorbent material, or RAAM.
This secret chemical coating absorbs radio waves, making the jet invisible to radar.
Every gap is filled. Radar waves must have nothing to bounce off.
The Su-57 is famous for its digital pixel camouflage.
This pattern confuses the human eye and optical sensors.
The ghost appearance is born.
Even the glass is coated in gold to trap radar waves inside the cockpit.
Laser scanners ensure the surface is perfectly smooth.
The skin is complete, but a ghost needs a heart.
We enter the Hall of Giants, the engine plant.
The Saturn AL-41F1. Raw power in a metal shell.
Titanium blades compress air to unimaginable pressures. The secret weapon. 3D thrust vectoring nozzles.
They can point the thrust in any direction, defying gravity.
Serrated edges reduce the radar signature of the exhaust. It takes a heavy crane to lift this beast. The engine bays are ready to receive the power.
Installation is a delicate operation. No mistakes allowed.
Lockdown. The heart is connected.
Two engines. 32,000 pounds of thrust each.
Fuel lines are connected. The blood vessels are attached. Sensors are installed all over the body to detect incoming missiles.
The K-36 ejection seat, the pilot's last chance.
Armed with rockets, it saves lives in a split second.
Landing gear retraction test. Smooth and silent. When closed, the gear disappears into the stealth shape.
Loading the KnAAZ, the internal weapons bay.
This catapult shoots the missile out into the airstream.
A hidden 30mm cannon for close-range dogfights.
The machine is whole, but it has never woken up.
Power on.
The system wakes up.
Flight control check. The muscles are flexing.
Final preparation. Clearing the sensors.
The test pilot arrives. A master of the frozen skies. Man meets machine.
Strapping in, connected to the life support.
The canopy seals. The world outside goes quiet.
Open the doors. The Siberian winter is waiting.
The doors open. The Siberian winter greets the newborn machine.
Into the cold. Temperatures are minus 30 degrees. Designed to operate from frozen, unpaved runways.
Ground crew disconnects the umbilical. She is on her own now.
Turbines spin up. Heat meets ice.
Throttles forward. Awakening the beast.
In this environment, the pixel camouflage makes it nearly invisible.
System check complete. Ready for departure.
Cleared for takeoff.
Afterburners lit. £60,000 of thrust push against the frozen air.
Rotate. The Earth falls away.
Airborne. MKs, we're inside. The Ghost flies. Breaking through the ceiling. Into the sunlight.
Of the weather, the domain is his.
Super Cruise engaged. Flying supersonic without afterburners. Watch the nozzles. Watch the nozzles. They start doing the work. The Cobra maneuver. A signature move of Russian aviation. Inside, the pilot experiences brutal G-forces. Controlled chaos. It recovers instantly.
The Levcons manage the airflow, keeping the jet stable.
Weapons bay open. Ready to strike.
Fox 2. On safety, ladies.
Total dominance in all axes. That's a prey at Walter Point. Mission complete. Returning to base. Final approach.
Drag shots deployed. Braking on ice.
The Ghost returns to the shadows.
The heart stops beating.
Another successful flight.
The cycle of maintenance begins again.
From fire.
Thought to metal.
Not to ghost.
A journey of engineering.
And raw power. The Su-57 Felon.
Forged in the ice of the Far East.
Russia's $50 million gamble.
Mach 2 capable. But lastly,
now in mass production.
legendary Sukhoi design.
And the next one is already being built.
Thanks for watching Inside the Frozen Factory. This is ManuTech Horizon.
Subscribe to see inside the Chinese J-20 Dragon factory next.
Click here for more mega factories.
wind, and jet sound.